Welcome to Business Class, a podcast for people wanting to upgrade their thinking, upgrade their learning, and upgrade their life. I'm your host, Eugenia Panterhos, founder of Business Class Collective, best-selling author and life coach. If you're an entrepreneur, a startup, or someone who dreams of reaching their full potential, then you're in the right place. You'll feel empowered and inspired to design the life you've always wanted. Let's do this. Hello gorgeous people, and welcome back to the show. I'm so excited that you're here joining me at Business Class Collective. This week we're going to be talking about how to make your business dream come true. In the words of Anna Wintour, the best way to make a dream come true is to wake up. As editor-in-chief of American Vogue and host of the Met Gala, I think she knows what she's talking about. What do you think? Creating a successful business is not a mystery, but yes, it can be a challenge. It requires a different version of you to rise to the task. You have the dream and you're experiencing the exhilaration and excitement at becoming a business owner. And you think about what it is you want to achieve. Yes, you want to provide a service, create an impact, enjoy financial independence, and experience more happiness both in your life and in your business life. So you plan your vision with the same passion you have when you fall in love. Well, maybe not quite, but as an entrepreneur, you'll be in a relationship with your business for a long time. There's another side to envisioning what your business is about, and that is the spiritual side of your business. What does that mean, you ask? Well, it's the change you want to see in the world. Usually, this is linked to your life experiences or passions, and it leverages your natural gifts. Think of causes such as empowering women, ensuring all kids have breakfast at school, caring for the planet, making an impact in health, to end human suffering or slave labour in the workplace. You get the drift. It's something intrinsic that you become the vessel for. It's bigger than making a profit. It's about ethical choices and passions and wanting to make a difference. So where would you start in making a dream come true? First of all, take time to daydream. You'll be surprised that the benefits of daydreaming can help you become more creative in honing in on your business idea. Daydreaming can help you imagine what your life can be by finding paths forward on how to reach your goals. It can help solve problems more easily. And importantly, daydreaming can reduce stress and anxiety. Secondly, every idea starts with a single thought. Just think that all achievements of humanity began as ideas in someone's imagination. That's quite spectacular when you think about it. So you must believe that it is possible, because if you don't, who will? Thirdly, understand that each decision affects your future. From the company you keep, the places you visit, the choices you make, what you leave and what you take. From saying yes to the investment in yourself and the love you give and the love that you accept. You get to live life beautifully, authentically and happily when you understand that you are a product of every decision. So now's the time to dream big and own your decisions. So having dreams, hopes and aspirations make life interesting, and by making those dreams a reality, you'll become the master of your life. Successful people have a manifesto, a set of rules, habits and principles that they follow to help them achieve their goals and to help them stay focused and to also stand in their power. If you'd like the manifesto that I've developed for Business Class Collective, just send me a message and I'm happy to email it to you. And some sage advice from Jim Rohn. Successful people know that success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. I love that. So basically, your success will be found in your habits. So as you build your dream and thinking about what it can mean, ensure that you're also envisaging the person you need to become to make it a reality. So now let's look at how to make your dream come true. It'll be a good time to grab a pen and paper and perhaps jot down some notes. Firstly, Be specific about your dream, as this will help you to know what it is you're aiming for. It will guide you so that you don't become distracted and start looking at the next shiny object or get pulled down into the weeds that you can no longer see your original vision. Becoming specific brings clarity and alignment. So write down your dream. That's the first step to it becoming a reality. Innovate where you differentiate. Know where you differentiate. Identify what's unique about your product, service, or the way it is delivered. This will help you stand out from the crowd. When you know your worth, the right customers will know the value of what you provide. Ask yourself, who is your ideal customer and why would they buy from you? Next, turn your dream into a burning desire. A dream is just a dream. Believe it is possible. Dream big, plan simple, and start immediately. You need to have that get up and go, that burning desire to see it through. Muster up your will, put your heart and soul into it, and start to feel what it would mean to attain your dream. Embody it, visualize your success. Now, close your eyes. Where are you? How are you feeling? Who is with you? What are you wearing? Who have you become? Keep dreaming. Keep that image in your mind so that you can manifest the high version of yourself to step into that role. Next, create a plan of action. So now that you've visualized it and felt what that dream might mean for you, you've embodied it, imagined it, and become excited about it. Now it's time to develop your plan. So define your strategy and list what steps you need to take to make this dream a reality. You'll know the steps that you need to take, and if you need to change something along the way, be flexible enough to pivot. Set a target date by which you will complete your goal. Keep an end in mind. Larger and more complicated goals are made easier when they're broken down into smaller and manageable steps. Use a visualization board, a planner, or your calendar to put these dates into so that you can keep on task. Importantly, the next step is to work on your mindset. In between dreaming, visualizing, defining, and setting targets, work on your mindset with a can-do and glass half full attitude. Motivate yourself with inspiring quotes and read widely from business books. Connect with motivated people and learn from those you look up to. Continue to learn each day, harness your skill set, and believe in your abilities. Focus on your personal growth. Take a course, subscribe to a business magazine, or attend conferences and events. Keep sharpening your mind so that you can expand your horizons. The right mindset can help you make your dreams a reality, but you do need to put in the effort to design a plan on just how to make that a reality. Along the way, you'll experience challenges and wins, and this is where the lessons are. You'll learn, pivot, pirouette, and become wiser with each step and each leap. Next, start taking action. Now's the time for action, not excuses. Staying laser focused and working on your plan will keep you motivated to follow your dream. Each step that you take is a step closer. So, fight procrastination, face your fears, and take the small baby steps in the right direction. They all add up. So stay consistent and believe in yourself. Failures will teach you more than your successes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Instead, learn from them and rise to the challenge of not repeating the same mistake twice. Set short-term goals and set long-term goals. It's important to have a vision for your dream, to know what your purpose is, and to understand your passion. So while you've set your long-term goals, for example, creating a business that produces consistent and ongoing revenue that doesn't necessarily rely on trading your time for money, take the necessary action to attain short-term goals on how you'll start to earn income. Remember that cash is king. Creating cash flow is the lifeline of your business. Become laser focused on the services and products you offer in exchange for money. Find opportunities to canvas, promote, sell, upsell, collaborate, or exchange time for money through consulting or offering other services. Understand what your core services are. Create a cash flow statement so that you can see when money is due to be paid out and when revenue is expected to come in. Next, review and rate your progress. By reviewing just how far you've come, you get to recognise just how much you've accomplished. Take a pause to reflect on what goals have been achieved, why other goals may not have been achieved. Check to see if you're on track and decide what it is you need to do to stay on track. Celebrate your wins and reward your accomplishments. Enjoy the satisfaction that comes from success. Learn from your lessons. Set your next goal. This may be slightly bigger and audacious. Believe in yourself. Everything is possible. Next, maintain your confidence. This is really important. Things will go wrong and you might find that you're second guessing yourself. Your confidence may drop. Your self-belief may be challenged. Take a rest and remember why you started. A short break, a mini holiday, taking time away to nurture your spirits will be good for you, your soul, and to renew your confidence. Keep going. Don't give up when you experience your first obstacle. This is your opportunity to learn and grow. Hire help to work smarter and not harder. There will come a time that you won't be able to wear all the hats of making your dream come true. Outsource what you can. It may mean hiring an external accountant, a legal representative, an IT specialist, a graphic designer, a bookkeeper, a cleaner, or anything else that your business needs. There'll be a tipping point, so recognize when this happens and you'll avoid the mental blocks, procrastination, overwhelm, and heartache. Have the courage to announce your dream. By telling your family and friends about your dream, your aspirations, and your hopes, you're making it real. By saying it out loud, you're bringing it to life. Remember that the universe is listening, and with your alignment and action, you'll be surprised at who will join you on your journey to help make it a reality. I wish you every success in realizing your dream, taking the actions, and making it all happen. Until next time. You've been listening to Business Class presented by Eugenia Panterhos, founder of Business Class Collective. If you haven't yet, go to Apple Podcasts, subscribe, rate and review this podcast. Share the love and let your family and friends know too. You can follow Business Class Collective on Instagram and Facebook. Join me next time.